It's your favorite Abuja mommy vlogger, Deka, Diary of an Abuja Mom, and I'm with my beautiful baby girl,
Jina.
Why did you hook?
Wait you.
You just like. So yeah, I'm with my beautiful baby
and she's
girl.
the #1 this kind mama.
Yeah, lately Jina has been telling me that I'm the #1 this kind mom. Like anything I do, she'll say that's why you're the this kind mom. Like she's just been so this kind, you know, dish. So yeah, so we're going to be doing something today. We're going to be doing what?
Makeup.
Yeah, so if you've been following me on my channel, then you know that Jina did my makeup when she was, I think, 4.
Yes.
And
no, it's correct. You're correct. I did it when I was 4.
yeah, and you did, what kind of makeup did you do on me?
I even put the red spots here and blue here.
Yeah, but you were really sweet because you told me that no matter what, that you love me anyways. Yeah, you were really sweet, and you sang a song for me.
Yeah.
I love you. I love you so much, so much. I love you. Why do you? I did just say pium pium.
Let's do this.
The first thing we're going to be doing is, we call it priming, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to be priming. Priming means we're going to be making the face so that I get oily on my face. Do you understand what that means? No, but
no, I don't understand.
But I get oily on my face, so this helps to keep my face
oily.
like, yeah.
Okay, I understand now. You like, your face is not like fresh.
Not fresh, but it's not dry.
Okay, it's
like
not dry.
when I apply makeup on my face, most times you start seeing oils. Like you see the oil around here and around here, right? Even it's happening to me. I get oily really here and here. So you're going to be applying this on my face to help with the oil. It doesn't remove the oil, but
well,
it
what
helps.
do I put here?
You just apply it all over my face, here, here, everywhere.
Okay.
Let me give you.
Like this.
You're
breathing on me.
I shouldn't breathe.
So like your head is the thing that's making that is helping me to connect it.
Yes.
So it's like I'm slapping you.
I know you don't want to do that. Okay, so the next thing we're going to be doing, we're going to be setting my face, Jina.
Yeah.
Setting my face means that you're going to use powder, a little bit of powder. You're going to dab all over my face so that it's
all over, like the whole
just gently, yeah, everywhere.
Like even here.
So Jina, there's something I always say, and whenever I say, sometimes you laugh.
What is
whenever I say that is my boo. What do you think boo means?
Husband.
Husband. Boo means husband.
Why are you laughing at me now?
I'm not laughing at you, I'm just surprised. So we're going in with the Isa and those makeup.
Isa?
Yeah, that's
Isa sounds like Princess Selena's sister. Isa.
Really?
But her full name is Isabel.
What color would you like me to have?
Wait. What's your favorite color?
You know.
Alright, glitter pink or just normal pink?
Normal pink.
No, it's normal pink. Oh, there's no pink.
You dab it first. You dab it. Dab it all over my eyes first. Big more.
Is that enough for this one?
I don't know. What do you think? You think it's enough?
I think so.
Do the other one. Jina, something you were telling me. You told me that I asked you if you think Dad loves me. And what did you say?
I said yes.
And why do you think Dad loves me?
Because he cares for you.
How do you know he cares for me?
Because
Gently. light hand.
Okay.
So why do you think Dad cares for me?
That's because he loves you and he takes care of you very well.
He takes care of me very well. Okay. What do you like most about I am Dad? What do you like us as your parents? What do you like most?
You take care of us. You never let danger to come to us.
Really?
Like one time, Mom. One time in my school park, I saw like a human in a tree.
Okay.
Like a human in a tree. But I think it was spy. It was like was doing like spy goggles, I think.
Okay.
And then he had a badge, and I think he said hunter.
Okay.
And then I told my teacher, but then when she didn't see it, then she thought I was a tiger. Like it was like majority of people that take children. Well, my teacher thought it was those people. I don't know. I don't think it was hunter. I think he said hunter for kids.
Okay. What does hunter for kids mean?
I think it means that you take kids.
Okay.
You look fabulous with that thing.
Okay. So we're going in with foundation.
Foundation. Do you have to dab it on your forehead? Okay.
So I'm just going to apply it randomly, then she will blend it. Jina, don't disgrace me.
What do you mean disgrace you?
Do it
Mom,
well.
like Mom, should I rub it around?
Not rub, you kind of rub, but you do it gently and you like spreading it.
I'll spread it around. What are you using that for?
Alright. You know what do you love most about your baby sis?
I love most about my baby sis. Well, she's cute, and I love her because the first time I thought that she was the only thing I cared about.
Okay.
At the moment that I saw her.
The moment you saw her, you knew she was the only thing you cared about. Oh, that's so sweet. What's something that I and Dad do that you don't like? Or what's something that I do that you don't like?
Won't like this.
What's one thing I do that you don't like?
Okay. Anytime that you say that you're doing hola, well, hola, well, and the thing I don't like about that, you always that you flog. Yeah, you keep beating on her bum.
I keep hitting her bum bum.
Every time you beat like this when she's.
It's not beating. I'm just doing her like this. It's not like this I do her. Am I beating her like this? No, I just gentle taps because she's actually biting my nipple.
Oh, she's biting it.
Yes.
I thought she was not doing anything.
Why will I say I would spank her? I just say it like, you know, when she's there, I just say I'll spank you.
But
I'll spank
you
you.
say that you flog her.
I'm just
when I hear flog, I think that you use
like a cane
that has
spikes. Ah! Why would you think that?
Well, most trees they have spikes in them and they wound people.
Oh, I will never do that. I'm just like, I'm not just even being serious. I'm just, you know, sitting at this side now. I'm not just being serious. I'm just saying it like.
No, sometimes you be complaining like.
I'm complaining because it hurts me, Jina.
Okay, it hurts you.
Of course.
Babies sometimes beat you and it pains you. Okay, so that's why. But is that enough?
What do you think?
I think it is.
I know I'm cheating a bit, but yeah,
Cheating.
I have to cheat a bit. So this is from Issa and Dos. This is their all day confidence through match concealer / highlighter in Fun 05. I'm just going to be applying this here for Jina to learn.
Like that. I have to do strokes.
Like strokes.
Okay. Looks like a turkey. Not like in the olden days.
Really?
We'll be doing like signs.
Blend it.
Like I'll dab it.
Yes. Jina, should I tell you one thing that you do that I don't like?
Yeah.
You take advantage of things. Like,
Advantage.
Yes, like when you know that I don't like something, but if I'm not there and it's somebody else, like other people, you do
I
it
think you need to
because
close your eyes.
you do it because you know I'm not there, and you know it makes me upset, but you still do it anyways. Like when I was not around, I took 2 cokes. So why did you do that? And I wouldn't allow that. you know it's one coke at a time, but you took 2 cokes because you knew I was not there. But the annoying thing is that you knew I was going to be upset, but you did it anyways, and that's not nice. Do the other eye.
Okay. Well, I think you need to be closing your eyes so you cannot touch your eyes. Oh, hold on. I think.
You're not sure?
I'm not quite sure. I need to choose any color.
No, you cannot choose any color you want to go. Before you give me Bobo Skibo.
What are you saying? I don't know that's so surprised. I can't even sound it.
You can't sound Bobo Skibo.
Wait,
So what is Bobo Skibo?
I don't know.
What do you think Bobo Skibo means?
I think it means I'm doing shakara.
You're doing shakara. What's shakara?
Shakara means I don't even know what I'm doing.
Shakara means you don't know what you're doing. What do you think when a grown-up says?
Oh, I put too much here.
When?
I have to do it here now. When what?
When a grown-up says,
Okay.
I low-key, when I say something like I low-key wanted a bag, what does that mean?
A low-key.
I low-key wanted a bag, what does that mean? What do you think that means?
I think that means that someone wants it bag.
Yeah, I really want a bag. That's what it means.
Okay. Okay, matcha.
Next one is
Matcha.
blush.
Blush. Yeah. What's blush? Blush sounds like
It sounds like blush.
blood or something.
So
Yeah, pink. Yes, pink.
on my cheeks. Yeah.
Okay.
Then you arrange it, then you spread it.
Like this. Like this. Until here. Okay, I'm getting it now.
Take it easy so it doesn't spread all over my face. Concentrate on the lips.
Okay, was that okay?
What do you think?
I think that like this. I never can to use a big brush before.
Come on. My girl has given me the look.
Mom, okay, what do you think the surprise was?
She has given me the look.
Mom, is that all?
No. You're gonna spray this all over my face like it's sprayed. It's like you sprayed it.
Okay.
Oh, for the final look. I was talking. Oh yeah, come.
Okay, close it.
That's enough. That's enough. You're laughing at me.
I don't know what I did.
You don't understand what you did.
Your eyes are here.
Sorry.
What I wanted to do, you look great.
Okay.
But to this video, I wanted to do the, I'll do you makeup and you do me.
That's not the point. The point is, what do you think? Like, can I go out like this? Do you think I can go out like this? With my look?
Like you can go.
Like, go out for a party? Is this a nice look for a
But
party?
I'm going out today.
Jina, that's not the point. Jesus. Jina doesn't like me going out, but that's not the point.
I know, I like it going out. He said I can go for a party, like.
But what I mean is, like, okay, if I'm going out today for a party, will this be beautiful?
Yes.
So I can go out like this, just wear my clothes and, you know, step up.
Yeah.
Step out.
But I'm going to keep it forever. You're going to clean it off.
I will have to clean it up. I can't keep makeup forever now.
Let's add one more touch.
Okay, what touch do you want to add?
Not.
What do you want to add? Show them what you want to add.
How about this thing?
Okay.
Oh, I got to
Alright, take it.
Where did I apply it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just gently. So
Good.
yeah.
But you know what I wanted to do?
Jina added the glitter to highlight my cheekbone, which obviously highlighted. So Ife, so what do you think?
It's better than perfect.
It's better than perfect.
Fabulous.
It's fabulous. Oh, thank you.
And I think so too.
You think it's
Because it was a
fabulous?
fairy.
Oh, I look like a fairy.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to put the glitter so it could look like a little fairy. So now
My baby's
pen.
thinking
And then
perfect.
pen.
My baby's thinking
My-
perfect. This is the final look that Jina did for me.
And it's a princess fairy that can only it can only do the magic of glitter.
Okay, so thank you so much, Jina, for giving me this fabulous look according to you and your brother. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Jina. You're improving. Anyways, you're getting better, and I'm super excited. And I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell button to get you notified, so whenever I post a new video, you'll be the first to get it. And I love you guys so much for watching. Until my next video, salute.